Hi, what's up, Theta Network holders? So this is live price prediction of Theta Network coin, my brother, and definitely in this video I have something very special information for all Theta Network holders. So kindly, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, in this time absolutely the Theta Network condition is very critical now because this coin will fail us down for a short time. But don't worry, my brothers, to after a sharp fail, absolutely this coin will starting move upward and give you a very good profit. So therefore I will notify you to kindly holder, if you want to get and earn money more and more, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. In those days, my friends, especially all crypto market is not comfortable, very badly fails down, but absolutely Theta Network, my brother, absolutely in previous days starting moving very fastly upward, but in this time very badly fails down. So therefore I understand, my brothers, to there is a chance to Theta Network price will be decreased now, but don't worry, my brother, I hope you in upcoming days, my friends, the price will starting increasing and they will give you a profit. So Theta Network holders, hope you understand. My personal experience says that so in upcoming time there is a chance to 50% chance so they will give you a profit. But if you are doing, my friends, if you are starting a holding now, so if you are starting selling, so definitely the price will very badly fail us down. So don't do this, my friends, don't do this mistake, and hope you will be better understand now. Theta Network holder, kindly like this video and please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos notification.